Hello students, I'm the OG Guru Dr. Puneet Bhojani here, and in this video we are going to discuss the strategy for the upcoming December FMG examination. So please stay right till the very end. मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि exactly next 4 months में what all you should be doing, कितना रिविजन करना चाहिए, how many grand tests you should give, which are the most scoring subjects, and complete आपका क्या strategy होना चाहिए आने वाले 4 months में, so that you can definitely clear the FMG examination. Okay, but before that let us see that क्या है FMG. It's no longer foreign medical graduate examination. It is basically हमारा जो हमने बनाया है faith, motivation, guts and effort, because students have failed multiple times and they are really in a state of panic even when this time the results were declared. As you know, only 20-21% was the result. So please, you need to be, point number one, you need to have faith in your own abilities, faith in your God, faith in your Guru, and भरोसा रखना है कि yes, हम ये टाइम FMG श्योरली क्लियर करेंगे. अपने पेरेंट्स के ब्लेसिंग्स पे भरोसा रखिए. मोटिवेशन के लिए मैं हूं ना. Okay, मतलब of course I'm going to tell you how to motivate yourself. It's very important to stay positive, but if you need any guidance, any help, directly feel free to WhatsApp me on this number, even call me. Thousands of students are in touch with me for their timetable guidance and we are helping them out. Please remember dear students, अगर आपका एक बार दो बार क्लियर नहीं हुआ है, 3 बार भी, मेरे पास ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स के फ़ोन आते हैं जो 4 बार फेल हुए हैं, 5 बार फेल हुए हैं, फिर सिस्टमैटिकली 4-5 months अंडर माई गाइडेंस दे हैव स्टडीड एंड टुडे ऑल ऑफ देम हैव क्लियर्ड द FMG एग्जामिनेशन. सो प्लीज, what all of you are going to do right from today is the power of positive thinking. 2 minutes every day, 2 to 5 minutes every day, positive thinking and power of positive imagination. प्लीज आपको एवरीडे इमेजिन करना है कि आपका पढ़ाई बहुत सुपर हो रहा है. इमेजिन योर सेल्फ कि आप FMG एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में पहुंच गए हैं. इमेजिन दैट ऑल योर MCQs आर कमिंग करेक्ट. इमेजिन के पेपर एकदम ईजी था, सिंपल था एज पर योर प्रिपरेशन. एंड इमेजिन दैट यू आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल जंपिंग. एंड प्लीज इमेजिन दैट ऑलरेडी द रिजल्ट्स आर डिक्लेयर्ड एंड यू हैव पास्ड FMG एग्जामिनेशन. एंड ऑल्सो इमेजिन योर सेल्फ एज अ ड्रीम पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट ब्रांच, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू FMG के बाद नीट PG भी क्रैक करके पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डॉक्टर भी सबको बनना ही है और आप बनोगे. 2 minutes every day, 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes every day, you should be thinking about this. Okay, I have achieved this target. My exam was super. My results are declared. I have got 170, 180, 200. No limit. I have got 225 in FMG examination. Now I'm doing my work. I'm studying. I am preparing for the NEET PG, and I've also got my dream branch and have become a postgraduate doctor with your clinic, hospital, OPD, whatever may be your branch. So please keep yourself extremely motivated. Guts, हिम्मत नहीं हारना है. Guts you require. Also please focus on your health, because not only mental health, physical health. Don't eat outside food. Don't unnecessary eat junk food, because if you fall ill, God forbid, आपके crucial time waste हो जाएंगे. So physical health, mental health पे भी focus बहुत रखना है. And last and the most important, efforts. Effort में कोई भी कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Time is of utmost essence. Please don't waste time. टाइम जो एक बार चला गया फिर से नहीं आएगा. तो आने वाले 4.5 months में बहुत जोर का एफर्ट डालना है. कितना एफर्ट कैसे करेंगे, स्ट्रैटेजी उसके लिए मैं हूँ. एंड प्लीज स्टे राइट टिल द एंड. इन द वीडियो मैं सिस्टमैटिकली बताने वाला हूँ कि कैसे रिवीजन स्ट्रैटेजी होना चाहिए, विच आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स, कितने ग्रैंड टेस्ट देने चाहिए, ग्रैंड टेस्ट के बाद एनालिसिस कैसे होना चाहिए, एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट OBGY, जो हम OG गुरु हैं, हाउ टू क्रैक OBGY एंड लेट्स मेक OBGY माई गारंटी विल बिकम योर मोस्ट फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट एंड मोस्ट स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो एफर्ट्स इज फ्रॉम योर साइड. फेथ, मोटिवेशन वी आर देयर टू गाइड यू इन योर एफर्ट्स. लेकिन आपको बहुत एफर्ट डालना है, because remember there is no substitute for hard work, and your hard work will always get rewarded. Okay, so now please understand why am I saying 4 months, because we are already in the month of August. जनरली एग्जाम दिसंबर में होता है, तो अगस्त टू सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. if you are lucky, last year December exam was postponed to January, and last year exam was in January. We do not know this time whether exam will be in January or not. January है तो 1 month extra bonus मिल गया, but अभी से उसका नहीं सोचना है. Right now you have to think that it is the December FMG exam will be in December. So these 4 months are going to be extremely crucial. Need to do a proper strategy. Now what will you do? Okay, all those who had got stuck last time at 135 140, please don't panic. Okay, you are just remaining by 10 marks, and surely if you put in the effort, you will surely cross 160 170. Even those who are giving the next June examination, do not waste time and start preparing right away. जिसका भी स्कोर 120 से कम था, they will have to put in more effort, because 120 125 if you have scored lesser, even I would say 130, that means yes, your concepts are lacking and you will have to put in more effort, get your concepts cleared and find out the reason which are your weak subject and strong subjects. Okay, so those who have scored 135, rest नहीं करना है, लेकिन पैनिक नहीं करना है, रिलैक्स, एकदम रिलैक्स नहीं हो जाना है, बट 137 138 मतलब आप ऑलमोस्ट देयर, बिकॉज 140 एंड 150 में वो एक उस दिन के एग्जाम का खेल था, प्रोबेबली इन द हीट ऑफ द एग्जाम यू मेड अ मिस्टेक. सो नेक्स्ट 4 मंथ का प्लानिंग प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटेजी आपको बता रहे हैं. एंड इफ द एग्जाम इज पोस्टपोन, वेरी गुड, बल्ले बल्ले 1 महीना और मिल जाएगा, दैट इज अभी नहीं बता सकते हैं. Okay, now please make a list of your strong subjects and weak subjects. Okay sir, these subjects मुझे okay है and these subjects are your weak. And when we are revising, of course I'm going to tell you day to day timetable बताऊंगा पूरा, ध्यान से सुनना till the end. Okay, वीक सब्जेक्ट्स को साथ में टैकल करना है, लेकिन स्ट्रॉन्ग को भी साथ में. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल स्टूडेंट्स जनरली एक ही सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते हैं कि सर मैं पूरा एनाटॉमी 15 दिन पढ़ूंगा, फिर फिजियोलॉजी 15 दिन. नो, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दैट्स नॉट अ गुड स्ट्रैटेजी. Reason being that when you are only studying one subject, you will get frustrated. And then after 15 days, I'm sure human brain है, we are all going to forget things. So frustration आने वाला है, ये आगे आने 4 वाले महीनों में you will also feel that sir I'm forgetting things. It's normal, it's natural to do to feel all that. So what I feel is that you start with 4 subjects. This strategy I'm telling students since many years. It has worked for most of them. Of course, you are feel free to call me and we can suitably adjust your strategy also. WhatsApp me, call me, and we can individualize also, help you in the strategy program. So you start with 3-4 subjects. What is the advantage? Okay, constantly you are in touch with 3-4 subjects, and side by side 3-4 subjects start getting done. So you feel थोड़ा positive and confident कि हाँ ये 4 subjects are done. Okay, so इसमें से 2 आपके weak subjects उठाएंगे, 2 आपके strong subjects उठाएंगे. Now सर between these 4 subjects do I jumble every day? Yes. अगर every day आपको 3-4 hours चारों subject पढ़ने हैं, I am okay. Otherwise you can do one day one subject, next day another subject, then again some. So over 3-4 days also mix, but don't keep on studying only one subject for 10-15 days. Okay, so you can half day study one subject, another half day study another subject, then next day another half day another half. ऐसा करके 2 days में 4 subjects, then again continue. Of course 3-4-5 days ऐसे cycles चलेंगे आपके ये 4 subjects खत्म करने के लिए. So first of all, get down, sit with pen paper and make your list of strong and weak subjects. I'm telling you what are the scoring subjects and how your strategy should be. Now please understand, 11 to 12 hours every day you have to study. 11 to 12 hours. Okay, 11 to 12 hours. Yes, and it is easily possible. Do you need to remain awake the whole night? No. Do you need to burn the midnight oil? No. I will show you that how with enough rest also and adequate time for movie and time pass, you will still put in 12 hours. Okay, so 12 hours is from now. And as we approach October, November, try to stretch this to even 13 to 14 hours. But yes, 12 is also good enough. Okay. Now, please understand, 7 hours of sleep. Start ही मैं sleep से कर रहा हूँ. 7 hours of sleep at night. Okay, at night, and half an hour sleep in the afternoon nap, the power nap. Okay, so 7.5 आधा घंटा एक्स्ट्रा सो लोगे तो भी चलेगा. 8 hours is for your sleep. Okay, happy? So ना तो दिन भर जागना है ना तो रात भर, but 8 hours of rest, because rest is also very very important. 12 hours of studies. 12 hours of studies. Again, sessions. 2-3 hour session, 10 minutes break. 2-3 hour session, 15 minutes break. Now, we are still only at 8 भी पकड़ा, तो we are only at 20. Okay. Of course, 1 hour, half an hour lunch, half an hour dinner. Enough time. Another 1 hour for all your daily routines, brushing, bathing, all that. So 2 hours you are going to go in your food, dressing up, getting ready. ये बहुत basic है, but it's work. Okay, I said half an hour lunch. ऐसा भी नहीं कि खट खा लिया. Eat well, eat healthy. 2 hours is going to be in your lunch, dinner, डेली बेथिंग ड्रेसिंग अप एक्टिविटी. कितना हो गया? 22. बच क्या गए? 2 hours एंटरटेनमेंट. मतलब कि आप मूवी देखो, आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम, बट मूवी तब देखना है जब ये 12 घंटे का पढ़ाई हो चुका है. वरना सर स्टार्टिंग से ही सर पहला दिन से पहले मूवी देख लेते हैं, पढ़ाई बाद में करेंगे. नो. सो 2 hours का आप वेब सीरीज देखो, XYZ, नेटफ्लिक्स देखो, नेटफ्लिक्स एंड चिल करो, क्रिकेट मैच देखो, जो करना है, बट प्रोवाइडेड योर 12 hours ऑफ स्टडीज हैव बीन डन. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? तो यू कैन सी कि इवन आफ्टर, ना तो इसमें हमने सोने का टाइम कट किया है, ना तो खाने पीने में हमने कट शॉट की है, ना तो हमने 2 hours ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन एंड एंटरटेनमेंट में. इसमें बहुत लोग इंस्टा फेसबुक पे जाएंगे, फाइन, यूट्यूब पे जाएंगे, ट्रेलर देखो, मूवी देखो, गो डाउन फॉर वॉक, फ्रेश एयर, all that relaxation, stay away from study. Absolutely, I am okay with it and you should do that. You should do that. But provided if you are very sure कि आपका 12 hours every day हो रहा है. Now yes, every day ये शायद नहीं होगा, someday ऊपर नीचे होगा, compensate कर सकते हैं कि सर आज मेरा खाली 10 घंटा हुआ है. No problem. आने वाले दिन में 1-1 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा करके try to cover up. But overall target that yes, 12 hours of study time is happening. Okay, and 12 hours of study has to happen. Okay, so please be very clear about this. This is extremely important, and I have said that there is enough time for your daily activities and relaxation and social media and all that. Positive social media important जो चीज़ें इंस्टा पे फॉलो करिए हमें. Follow me on Insta. Every day putting up very important reels. I'm putting up PYQs, so please do follow me on Insta also, and really students are benefiting from my Insta post also. Okay, now coming to the very important part. जैसे मैंने कहा था, please understand, according to me, ये 4 subjects, just pay attention. The first MBBS subjects, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, these 3 subjects are volatile. Let us accept the fact. Don't study right now, because if you study right now, by the time you reach October, you will tend to forget them. So this, I would say, keep it towards the end of your first revision. Now, first revision is what I am saying, or first reading is from the August, whatever months remain, to September, and try to target everything to get over by October. So this should be towards the October end, the last half of October. You will do anat physio biochemistry. Again, a very big mistake students make, that they waste lot of time in medicine. Yes, medicine is important. Medicine is one of the very important subject, but don't directly start medicine. Frustration होगा and it is never ending. Okay, so क्या important है कि मेडिसिन फिनिश करने से पहले, मेडिसिन स्टार्ट करने से पहले, यू विल फिनिश योर पैथो, माइक्रो, फार्मैक, radio, and your physiology also. My dear students, your 70% medicine is already over. 75% medicine is over when all these subjects are already done. Patho, micro, pharmac, radiology, very important. Radio gives you edge in your other things also, and physiology. Once you do, then only medicine you will study. Is it clear to all of you? So, anat, physio, biochemistry, ye 3 subjects are going to be in the October end, and similarly medicine will also be in the month of October only, because before that aap ye finish karoge. Okay. Now, isme se remember, patho, micro, pharmac, radio, all these are very scoring subjects. Now, very very important, most important, OBGY. I am guaranteeing you, I will make OBGY your most favorite subject and most scoring subject. Students came out of the examination hall, FMG examination, Jan, June, and said that, sir, everything from what you have taught had come in our exam, and OBGY is a major subject. 25 to 30, not even the 30 MCQs minimum are going to come from OBGY, and that you will get maximum score is my guarantee. 3 years back, my dear students, 42 questions came from OBGY, 42, and all my students got either 39, 40, 41, 42, and therefore all of them scored 180, 190, 200 easily. Because imagine if in one subject you are getting 39 out of 40 or 41 out of 42 or 42 out of 42, all of them, then you are easily clearing exam in your this. So OBGY is a major subject. We'll come more about OBGY in the next 2-3 minutes. And even after the NEET PG was over, so many phone calls and messages I got that, sir, out of all the 19 subjects, we were most comfortable in OBGY. So OBGY, trust me, if you follow my guidance and my lectures, it will become your most scoring subject and the easiest subject. Okay, I'll talk about OBGY in just 2-3 minutes from now. Other important opthal, ENT, forensic medicine, all these are your also scoring subjects. Okay, ophthalmology 8 to 10 MCQs, ENT 8-10 MCQ, forensic 8-10 MCQs. So these are also really very high end scoring subject apart from radiology. So ये subjects के साथ हम शुरू करेंगे, and then yes, your surgery and PSM. Overall big four जो बोलते हैं, medicine, surgery, PSM, OBGY, they are the big four. Okay, and your pediatrics. So you will have to schedule your timetable in such a way that in the month of August, September, you are finishing on all these subjects you are trying to cover. And these subjects जो हैं minor जिसको हम short subjects बोलते हैं, again you may want to directly do it, that is your dermatology, orthopedic and anesthesia. इस पे yes, these are only 3-4 MCQs. Of course we will study, don't neglect any subject, but even if suppose time is very less and these 3 subjects if you are not able to finish or towards the very end directly एक reading November December में देना है, चलेगा, only PYQs are okay in this. So please, you need to start studying from this side. And चार, जैसे मैंने कहा, 4 सब्जेक्ट उठा लीजिए. So you can start with your pathology, microbiology, OBGY, radiology, then go on to pharmac, physio, ENT, FM, all that, and then your surgery, PSM, and then only come to these side subjects, and last में with medicine, and then your other minor subjects, जो ये 3 हमने minor subjects बताए हैं. Okay, so this is very important, and please understand, इसमें important मतलब जिसके high yield subjects हैं. So that is what I have told, कि high yield मतलब short start. So OBGY 30 MCQs, okay, surgery another 30 MCQs, PSM 25 to 30 MCQs, okay. So these are, in patho micro 15, 20, you know that वगैरह. So high yield subjects पे of course focus करना है. ये जो low yield वाले हैं, dermat, ortho, anesthesia, you can keep it towards the end. And sometimes students have told me कि sir, I don't have time. Even if you don't have time, even if suppose totally skip कर दिया, चलेगा. Yes, 8, 10, 15 marks का है risk, but yes, अभी time नहीं है, तो you can't really help it. So this is really very important strategy. Please follow this, and this is what you will do. Now OBGY, आपका हुकुम का एक का OBGY is going to become your trump card just by spending. Okay, all of you please download the OG Guru app. And my dear students, जो master class FMGE है, beautiful theory lectures, rapid revision MCQs, beautiful handwritten notes. Students have told me कि sir, your videos are completely stress free. बाकी वीडियोस हम देखते हैं, हमें स्ट्रेस आता है, टेंशन आता है. योर वीडियोस आर फुल ऑफ ह्यूमर, वी फील रिलैक्स्ड. When we are bored of other subjects, we come to your videos. So remember students, my videos are going to be absolutely stress free. And students have told me कि sir, once we listen to your video lectures, we remember things for long time. So आपको लंबे समय तक याद रहेगा, मेरा गारंटी है. On the day of the examination, sir, we hear your voice in our ears and we mark the answer, because I'm going to teach you crystal clear concept, #crystal clear concept, so that even if the MCQ is twisted, even if they ask you any type of question, you will be able to answer. So in my video lectures, everything is going to be covered, highest level, all the clinical case scenario, image-based question, instruments, big, long MCQs, one-liners, everything A to Z is there. And trust me, dear students, you just need to study 2 hours every day. Not the whole day OBGY. Just spend 2 hours on my app, and everybody is doing it at 1.5 to 2x speed. Just spend 2 hours on my app, and my guarantee, within 15 to 20 days, you will become champion of OBGY. There were students who are panicking in OBGY, sir obs gynae समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, and now they become expert. And mind you, this is the major subject. Even recent NEET PG OBGY had one of the maximum weightage. For FMG also it is a short 30 MCQs आने वाले हैं. As I said, if you're lucky 35, if you're very lucky 40, but 28 to 30 MCQs are going to come from OBGY. So you see, आपको अलग से OBGY के लिए टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करना है. इन योर दिस टाइम टेबल जो मैंने कहा है, इन योर 12 आवर स्टडी, अगर आप एवरी डे इफ यू आर जस्ट स्टडिंग 2 hours OBGY, योर मेजर सब्जेक्ट विल गेट ओवर हंसते खेलते इन जस्ट 15 days टाइम. साइड बाय साइड रोज 2-2 घंटा मेरा ऐप पे टाइम स्पेंड करो. 2 घंटा 1.5 to 2x स्पीड पे देखो. 15 to 20 days से ज़्यादा नहीं लगेंगे, मेरा गारंटी है. ऑफकोर्स आई एम गोइंग टू गाइड यू हाउ टू स्टडी, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर OBGY ऑल्सो. And then students have said that, sir, once we have seen your videos, the notes are so superb, 100% we can crack the examination. And the notes entirely students are revising in 2-3 hours. Full notes आपका जो है crisp crystal clear notes are there with beautiful colored notes, and integrated images are there. They go so fast, and students are just loving the notes after they read the lecture. So so for OBGY, you don't need to do anything else, is my guarantee, and it will become your most scoring subject, is again my guarantee. So just 2 hours every day करिए, so that it will give you more time for other difficult subjects. You will feel confident कि yes, 30 marks OBGY का portion हंसते खेलते 15 दिन में हो गया. Side by side, you can see over here so many students, sir, I passed FMG examination, I got this, all this you can read over here. There were students, as I said, who are feeling very much tough, and then I could attend most of the questions because of your lectures. Okay, and all this is there, you can see. And as we said that we have got 100% strike rate in all the FMG examination. You can also go and see my recall video. Okay, FMGE recall video, the Jan recall video, the July recall video, we have put it on the YouTube. You can go and see those videos, and OBGY will become really best for all of you. Now very important, grand test. Yes, grand test of course देना है. कितना देना है? According to me, at least 8 grand test. 10 if you can give, super, but at least 8 grand test you have to give. So 2 every month, August, September, October, November, 2 grand test. Why? ग्रैंड टेस्ट गिव्स यू एन आइडिया, बट डोंट वरी, ग्रैंड टेस्ट थोड़ा सा हमेशा डिफिकल्ट होता है. सो ग्रैंड टेस्ट में थोड़ा सा स्कोर कम होगा तो डोंट गेट डिप्रेस्ड. बट ग्रैंड टेस्ट में अगर 140 145 आ रहा है तो 150 160 160 175 क्रॉस हो रहा है. बट टारगेट दैट इन एवरी ग्रैंड टेस्ट यू आर स्कोरिंग 150 प्लस. ओके, नाउ खाली ग्रैंड टेस्ट देके दैट्स नॉट द एंड ऑफ द जॉब. ग्रैंड टेस्ट एनालिसिस इज very important. Grand test you will give, and that whole day you will be going through the answers of those 300 MCQs and see which questions of your were right. Very good. And please also check whether वो right आपका तुक्का से आ गया था, like just by fluke you had kept it right, or you were very confident and that's why it has come right. Okay, so that also you check. And if the question was wrong, 2 things you will check. Was it wrong because वो टॉपिक और कॉन्सेप्ट ही आपको पता नहीं था? सॉरी सर, ये कुछ नया था. दिस टॉपिक आई डिडंट नो, दिस कॉन्सेप्ट आई एम नॉट नोइंग. इट गिव्स यू एन आइडिया व्हाट यू नीड टू स्टडी, हाउ यू नीड टू स्टडी. And if the question was wrong because you didn't read the question correctly, silly mistake. Sir, I didn't read के all except था, all of the following except था, which of the following is not. So it is, sir, I knew the topic पता था लेकिन I didn't read. Fine, but then you need के more practice and ये silly mistakes avoid करना है. So in a way this is okay कि yes sir मुझे पता था, I know the answer but I didn't read the question correctly, which is the next best step, which is the difficult, which is the बेस्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन पूछा है, विच इज द फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन. एंड इसके लिए माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स आई वुड रिकमेंड यू, ऑल ऑफ यू आर गिवन अ सुपर वीडियो दैट विच आर द मिस्टेक्स. ओके, इट वाज जस्ट बिफोर द नीट पीजी. इट वीडियो का टाइटल इज फॉर नीट पीजी, बट डोंट वरी, इट इज ऑल्सो फॉर एफएमजी एग्जामिनेशन. इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो प्लीज सी दैट यूट्यूब video is just a if you see at 1.52x speed, it's just a 15-20 minutes video that what are the mistakes to avoid, or mistakes which students commonly make in the NEET PG, and mistakes you should avoid, and how you will avoid making. With examples I have given how in OBGYN one word changes. 32 weeks answer different, 36 weeks answer different, 37 weeks answer different. So please, I request all of you, immediately after this video go and see this YouTube video. Link हम डाल देंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड टैग कर देंगे. सो मिस्टेक्स यू शुड अवॉइड इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, प्लीज सी दैट. सो आई रिपीट कि यू विल डू अ सेल्फ असेसमेंट ऑफ एनालिसिस. थिंग्स विच वर राइट, वेरी गुड सर, दीज आर माई राइट थिंग्स. रॉन्ग हुआ, क्यों रॉन्ग हुआ, जो टॉपिक नहीं पता है, जो कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं पता है, ऑफ कोर्स यू विल हैव टू रीड देम इन डिटेल. एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, सपोज इफ इट्स वेरी वेरी टफ, very very tough, occasionally hardly इसके पहले कभी पूछा है, then you can avoid, don't panic, because see, all you can't study all 19 subjects in utmost detail. So you need to do the most important topics, and that's why PYQs help you, because PYQs will give you we coming to PYQs will tell you okay, what are the must know topics, what are the must know topics in every subject list you should know. Obs Gynae have given the list in my app. Okay, PYQ will tell you which are the must know topics and which are very rarely asked, or okay to know, या good to know, या desirable to know. Okay, तो ये desirable to know topics पे बाद में focus करेंगे. Of course must know topics पे हम पहले focus करेंगे. So again, जो आपका when you have got the question wrong, was it a very very difficult topic and very very rarely asked topic? Don't take stress, forget about it. But if it is a commonly asked topic, example like cataract, या सर ये short otitis media, I'm giving examples of other subject, या placenta previa, abruption, तो ये OBGY का example, कि ये pre-eclampsia, तो सर ये तो topic आना ही है. So that MCQ, if you are making mistake and topic and concept you don't know, that yes, you will have to read the video, read the that topic or see the video. And if it is a silly mistake, please make sure you don't repeat the mistake, but in a way it is good. Be happy कि चलो ये क्वेश्चन भी मेरा राइट हो जाएगा इफ आई हैड रेड द क्वेश्चन करेक्टली. सो दिस विल, बट मेक श्योर बहुत सारा सिली मिस्टेक्स नहीं होना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स ह्यूमन नेचर है, थोड़ा होगा. एंड चेक आउट दिस यूट्यूब वीडियो सो दैट यू गेट द मैक्सिमम knowledge on how if the things will change, how your answer can change, and what you should do to get all MCQs maximum correct and don't make any silly mistake. Now very important, as I was telling you, okay, we had said about, if you remember, August, September, October end. October तक मैंने कहा था. Now what about November and December is the time for revision, because without revision, please understand, we are humans, we are not supercomputers. हम ये एक बार पढ़ लेंगे तो याद नहीं रहेगा. So revision of course करना है, and पूरा November is your time for revision. Quickly you will divide the days, and November May you will try, and December you will give, hopefully exam will be in the later part of December, at least 10th 15th वगैरह, तो और December would be your final. So November will be your revision and December will be your final revision. Of course, by the time we reach October, September and October, the dates will be announced and we'll have a clear idea. Suppose the exam is in January like last year, then very good, you will get time for revision also. So revision is extremely important, and then you will quickly go, and in this 30 days again, then you will give 2 days for each subject. So again, medicine, surgery, OBGY, PSM, you can give 2 days, so 8 days, and remaining subjects you will just give one day, and another 15 days यू कैन फिनिश योर 1.5 days देंगे तो 10-12 सब्जेक्ट्स को आपका 16-18 days होगा, एंड 30 days में यू विल हैव टू रिवाइज the second time because अभी first reading होगा, and then December again the most important things, and of course your PYQs and lots of MCQs, PYQs, MCQs and grand test. But most important, please understand this, which is very very important and which I have realized, that concepts, nothing can beat the concept. Yes, certain things are mug up, certain things are mug up karoge, but today is the time concept based exams are coming, one liners are coming, but your concept should be very very clear, because then only they want to test your concepts and knowledge, and then you can clear the FMG with confidence. So yes, जो by heart है, mug up है, वो करना है, but concept should be very very good. Also one more thing, you can just, when you download the app, and I am going to put a free mock test. Okay, so when you download the app, I am going to give a free, there are free mock test. All of you, please attempt that free mock test. You will get an idea where you stand in OBGY. So it's a completely free mock test. You can please give the test and see how the questions are and what is. It's a free mock test in OBGY, which all of you can give, and of course get in touch with me. Okay, so this is, I repeat, कि आपका नवंबर मंथ में आपका रिवीजन होगा, 30 days time enough. As I said कि you will give 2 days for big subject, medicine, surgery, PSM, OBGY. You can just give 2 days. So ये 8 days हो गया, 8 to 9 days भी दे सकते हैं, and remaining days में आपके जो subjects हैं, remaining जो 14 subjects हैं, 14-15 सब्जेक्ट्स, उसको अगर आप 1 day भी देते हो, 1 day you give, और 1.5 days, so then definitely 1.5 देंगे तो 22 days में 1.5 days. Of course your radio, you know, dermat, psychiatry, ortho is not going to take one day at all. Okay, so उसमें और कम टाइम में आप कर सकते हो. So you can give 8 to 10 days for this big subjects and 20 days for the remaining in your second revision. And of course December towards the end, whatever you don't know, you will be reading. Of course we are going to come out with regular videos, and you will be in touch with me also. So my dear students, I request all of you, as I was saying, this is the FMG OBGY masterclass. OBGY will become your हुकुम का एक का. OBGY will help you clear. कितने students थे जो 135, 140 पे अटक गए थे, and only by OBGY they have crossed 150, 160. Even now when you will start seeing the video, you will wish that if I had joined sir 4 months back, which your score was stuck up at 140, 145, you would have easily got 155 in last exam only, because OBGY minimum 10-15 marks you will get extra you will get when you study from my video lecture. So this has got all the rapid revision, MVP, MCQs, पूरा theory है, beautiful handwritten notes, you can check out, crystal clear notes है with image based integrated color notes, इतने fast आपके पढ़ के हो जाएंगे. And of course your my mentoring is there, I'm there to help you, guide you, and of course mock tests are also there. And according to me, all those who are going to go for the December FMG examination can just take the 6 months master class, and if your target exam is the next June, you can take the 12 months master class. And there's a special promo code freedom offer. You can see 6 months only in 1499, in 1500, less than 1500 rupees. Your major subject like OBGY, 25 to 30 MCQs will get covered. And as I said, 6 months is the validity. पढ़ाई तो आपका 15-20 days में ही हो जाएगा जैसे मैंने बताया, एंड ऑफकोर्स रिविजन होगा, एंड 12 months is just 2099. This is a special freedom offer. Please make the maximum use of it. Download the app. You can give the free mock test. Get in touch with me for any confusion, and just subscribe to OBGY Masterclass 6 months for the December examination. And if your target is next June, you can go for the 12 months examination. Promo code is freedom. And again, jo most important, I will wind up my session by again showing the first and the most important slide. All of you, aapko faith in yourself, your abilities, motivation, extremely you need to be motivated, guts, himmat, mehnat and efforts, and all of you will come out winner is my guarantee. Just follow this mantra. As I had said, the power of positive thinking. Do not forget that 2 to 5 minutes every day bolna hai, yes, I am cracking the exam, I am topping the exam, I am acing the exam, and yes, I have come out as a winner. And power of positive thinking. Every day up 2 to 5 minutes before sleeping or any time in the day, you will do this. Just close your eyes and imagine what all good things are happening with you. Imagine that yes, things are happening with you in a positive way, and that you will do every day till the day of the examination, even in your life also. Okay, best of luck and see you soon.